today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly create a pie chart in Canva, a skill that's perfect for your presentations, reports, or just adding a bit of flair to your projects. Don't worry, it's as easy as pie, and by the end of this guide, you'll have it mastered. So let's dive in and get creative. First, what you need to do is navigate to your Canva document. If you're not familiar yet, Canva is an online platform that's incredibly popular for graphic design. It's intuitive, user-friendly, and provides a plethora of options for all your creative needs. Access your document where you want to place your pie chart or start a new one, whatever suits your project best. Once you have your document open, move over to the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Here you'll see a variety of features and options, but today we're focusing on one in particular, Elements. Click on it. This is your gateway to all the shapes, icons, and graphics you could possibly need. Think of it as the treasure chest in your design journey. Now let's search for our featured star, the pie chart. This is where it gets interesting. After you've clicked on Elements, you'll find a search bar at the top of the panel. Type in pie chart and wait a moment. The magic of Canva will do its thing and present you with a variety of pie chart options that you can choose from. Among the options, you'll see a feature called Quick Add that appears right at the top. This makes it even easier because all the pie chart selections are conveniently gathered here for a quick insertion. Once you've clicked on pie chart, take a moment to sift through the options. Canva offers different styles and designs. Some are classic, others more modern. Choose a style that best fits the overall aesthetic you're aiming for in your document. Do you want something bold, maybe with vibrant colors? Or are you aiming for a minimalist look? It's all about personal preference. After selecting your desired pie chart, patience may be required as Canva processes your selection and adds it to your document. This is the moment where you can start customizing. You can adjust the chart size by clicking and dragging the corners. Don't forget to personalize the chart elements, such as colors and legends, to reflect the information your pie chart represents accurately. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully integrated a pie chart into your Canva document, effortlessly enhancing your project's visual appeal and informational clarity. It's a fantastic way to visually communicate data, and hopefully you found this process as straightforward and rewarding as it should be. Enjoy using your new skills in your future designs and let your creativity shine through each project.